Right, and welcome back to another video. We've got the 595 Abarth back in. Now, previously, we did the suspension, we did the coilover kit on this car, and since then, James has actually been through a custom remap. He's running over 300 brake horse, and that's official. He is actually running over 300 brake horse. Now, he's coming today, he's gonna have a front brake upgrade. He's bought some Brembo front brakes. He's currently running stock ones, which are 280mm. He's going to be going up to 330mm discs on the front with Brembo 4-pot calipers. Now James is going to unwrap those parts, and we're going to take a closer look at those, and then we're going to get on with the job and get those brakes fitted to his car.
So, here is the contents of the box. We have obviously brake pads, a huge set of brand new Megane RS265 brake calipers, 4 pots, the adapter plates, all the hardware and the braided lines. Right, we've got the kit all unboxed. Obviously in the kit you've supplied with 2 calipers, 2 custom made billet aluminum caliper brackets, also using Hell braided brake lines. In this bag here we've got the caliper bolts and the carrier bolts, obviously to mate all those together. New sliders and pins for the calipers, and a set of Brembo discs, 330mm, 28mm wide. Also, with this setup that I'm going with, I'm running the PBS Pro Race track pads, and whilst we're at it, we're going to do a full fluid change using ATE Type 200. As you can see, we've got 2 snapped locating pegs for the brake disc. Obviously in this instance, it's to hold my wheel spacer. So we are currently trying to draw these out to at least be able to hold the spacer and the disc on correctly.
As you can see, the old brakes have been removed. You can see the size difference. Let's line these up now and have a look at the difference between the size of the original ones and the new ones going on. And they're the nice 4-pot calipers. Beautiful. They're going to look excellent when they're on. Now, as you can see, what you've seen on the video just before is James cleaning up the discs, because they do come with like a film of oil on there which we have to clean off. That film of oil is just on there for storage reasons, really, just to keep the disc from corroding the box or anything like that. So he cleans that film of oil off, ready to be fitted. We'll get those fitted on now. Then you can get the brake lines fitted, do the brake fluid change, give it a test drive.
Like it's the end of our life. Like it's the end.
So obviously we've got the new 330mm brake discs on. They're all cleaned. So now we'll start by getting the Tuning Art billet aluminium spacer for the new calipers. And annoyingly, you can't see what I am doing because I've got my head in here. Oh yeah, hello. So as you can see, we have the caliper, the adapter, the discs all installed. The next thing to put on is the braided brake line and then do a full fluid flush on all four corners.
Right, and that's the job complete. Tom and James have done a brilliant job fitting the brakes. I mean, just look at them. I think they look absolutely amazing. Look at the size of them discs. Look at the quality of the Brembo brake calipers. What they've also done is they've done a brake fluid change as well. They've done the ATE 200 brake fluid change, which is high performance brake fluid. They fitted those braided hoses and bled up the brakes. And that's it, that's the job complete. Now, James has also done some other modifications to the inside of his car. He's fitted some Abarth seats, bucket seats, and he's also going to do a bit more modification to the dash, so you never know, that might be a later video. But please like this video, please subscribe, and if you have one of these Abarth 595s, maybe comment down below what modifications would you do to your car.
So that's it, my car is all complete. Again, with another amazing product supplied by Ben Tuning Art. His website is www.tuningartuk. Also from Ben, he has supplied me with the high spark coils, the brake kit, and also a Bonaloom short shifter. I am also now in the market from himself is the large rear brake disc conversion. So keep your eyes peeled for that video.
And in the bottom of the box, what is this? Oh wow, that's a nice little prezi that they've given us. Now let's open it up, let's have a look. It's exciting. Well, it's going to be James's, I think. Oh, that's a nice little touch, is that? And it looks like an air freshener with a Brembo brake disc and caliper on it. Wow, I like. That's pretty cool, actually. I think Jay should 3D print some of them for us. And then it looks like you also get some colognes as well to add to it. He's going to be going up to 300. Oh, I've forgotten. What was he?